Hello dear subscribers. Today I will show you how you can easily make auto start on some application on Android. So for doing this you just need to click on some application, and here you will see app info, so just click on it, and here you will see info about this application, so storage and data usage and batteries. So also you will see here auto start, so just turn on here, and here you can see allowing apps to auto start may require additional RAM and battery resources. Allow anyway, okay. And now after you restart your mobile phone, after starts up your operating system, it will open this application on background, so it will open automatically after your system will start. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.